So it's day 4 of us being in Colorado. We are going horseback riding. We got Craig in the back. He's going to do a horse of the month right now. And Mary's here, and she said she was so excited. That's her so excited dance. But yeah, we're going to get to this today. So day 4, here we go.
Grab these if you want to swing. Yep, swing down. I like it.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah.
He's a good boy.
Yep.
Long's about 300 feet tall. But Meeker is harder to hike than Lox. So I've heard. Chapel on the Rocks. A beautiful chapel. You can actually see the Jesus for it.
You were like, oh, I've seen that in pictures.
So you can see the white Jesus over there.
Yeah.
Kind of sticks out, and then you can see the chapel right under it.
But that was the one that we said, what is that? I don't know. That's cool.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Woo.
Right as we're done.
Yep.
What kind of timing is that, huh?
Are they going out still?
It isn't too bad in the rain. Oh, the chaos.
A few moments later.
I'm lucky because I didn't bring my rain jacket.
It's raining a bit. Gee, Jesus, it's raining. It's raining good though. And it's hailing. Hi, Mary. Let's see.
How are you doing? You enjoy your ride? Oh my gosh, 100%, yeah. It was a blast. And we made it right before this, so can't complain too much.
Jesus Christ! Ow! They hurt. They hurt. Don't touch them. Don't touch them. Damn, son. They hurt. Look at that shit. What's there? There's weather out here. Just insane. Throwing shit.
More moments later.
Rain. Me and Craig just waiting to get a table at Mama Rosa's. Mary's in there talking to people. We'll see how it goes. But it is raining pretty hard. Hey guys.
Hello, cheers for the best of times and the worst of times. Yeah.
Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.
Here we are at the alpine level where trees can no longer grow.